Okay, so let's see. I have more white in here. Probably need more. Let's put the black on this side. Let's bring this mix. See what's gonna happen in here. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna mix this in here. Let's make big waves. Big waves. And then at the end, we can leave only one very soft one. Put it there. See what we can do here. Let's move it. I like what is happening. See, I want it to be very pretty. Let's see if we can do it very pretty. Extend it. We have to extend it. Let's let it go that way, and then we can bring it back. But I don't want to lose the area of white on this side. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's keep playing. I keep playing here. Let's move it that way, and I want it better this way, like this. There, something different. Let's move it now this way. Very good. Move it back. Okay, let's check the edges and see if we like the shape. I think I'm gonna create another one. So I need more black and white. So I'm going to prepare more paint and put another pour and put it somewhere. I want to fix that shape, okay? Okay, so I'm starting with white. And then I'm going to put black. And white. And black. Let's do a small one in here, another one in here. Another one in here. Finish this one with the white. Start moving. Okay, let's see, because I don't want to lose that pretty center that I have. Okay, let's see. I want a bit more white in the center of these. And the white should be on the bottom of my cup. Just need to bring it out. Gonna finish whatever I have with black, but I want to bring black in here. Let's see how we can do this. Let's see. I'm just messing it up. You know how I am, Mrs. Messiness. Now what did she do? It was pretty, now it's not. Okay, where is the cup? White, black, and white. Okay. That's the problem of being an artist. You keep playing until you mess it up. Sometimes we're not happy with what we have and we kept breaking it and breaking it and breaking it. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm going to torch it lightly. Lightly torch it. Lightly, lightly, lightly. And then I'm gonna leave it alone. This time, I'm gonna add a drop of the Dimethicone on each of the colors. One drop. One single drop. Okay, I'm gonna start with the white. Some of that. And let's do a thick cup. Ooh, so many cells. And let it drip. Wow. See how many cells you can get even with only a drop of the Dimethicone? Okay, let's use the drippings. Look at that. Just 1 drop of the Dimethicone. The less you add, the better. And if this was a larger canvas, I could have extended those cells. Look at that. That only proved that point. Okay, let's put this aside. Wow, that was a perfect experiment of telling you that you don't need that much. There was no Dimethicone on the inside the pour, only on the cup, only 1 drop on each of the colors. I have to do one more. So white, black, white, black, white, gonna also put this gray so you don't lose anything. And gray. It's okay to have gray too. White. Let's finish the colors. White. And the white. A small canvas, do another flip cup. Wow, so many cells. Okay, enough. Tilt. Ooh, look at this. How pretty. And it was only 1 drop of the Dimethicone in each of the colors. How pretty. How pretty, pretty, pretty. Put some on that corner and some of this corner, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish it that edge with the black, and I want to show you how pretty are the cells. If you want larger cells, you move it and they get larger. But there's a point where it stops moving, and this one is already in that point because I was covering. You have to do it right away. You cannot wait until you cover all your edges. So this is it. Thank you for joining me for these two small projects and a large project of black and white. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. So this is what was done with the remaining paint from that cat painting. And this is what you can do with just 2 colors. Look how beautiful the cells are. So you only need 2 colors and you can create cells. Wonderful, huh? Please watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. By the way, let me show you some of these drippings. I'm going to do jewelry because a lot of people like black and white, and we have some wonderful drippings in there. So lots of jewelry coming. See you next time. Bye-bye. Just show you one more. Look at that. It's so pretty. Very pretty. And this one in here looks like a ghost. Okay, see you next time. Bye.